Good morning. We arrived actually in Vegas yesterday, and I decided when we got here that I was just going to take the day off vlogging and the night off vlogging. It is now Friday morning and we have just woken up. We are staying at the Nobu Hotel, but today we are going to go to Fashion Mall. We're going to do some shopping, and then my sister and her husband show up today at about 3 o'clock, and we're spending the whole weekend with them here. I think that's it. Anything else? Words of wisdom?
Let's go!
It's so hot out, it's so nice. This one, you're sweating a little. It is now about 1 o'clock, and my sister and her husband, Lyle, they're gonna be here so soon, so I think we're gonna wait for them. What are you planning to do with those?
Well, we're gonna ice your sister, but
And?
we were unable to acquire the ice, so we thought Mike's Hard was pretty much just as gross.
We have a running joke with Elena and Lyle that when we see each other, we ice. So if you don't know what icing is, you take a Smirnoff Ice, which is so gross, and you just hide it somewhere, and then if they discover it, you have to drink it. We have just put 2 of the Smirnoff Ice in the lobby, and when my sister and Lyle come up out of the elevator, they're gonna see them and have to drink them. What have you done?
Just hang out with my friends here.
Oh.
Ah! You beat me!
Are you thirsty?
What do you mean? Oh, damn it!
Is it open?
Damn it!
Is it open?
This is a classy hotel.
Not now.
Success!
I just like have a seat here.
We're now walking around Caesars. We're gonna go to the shops and hang out. We're with Celine. This is where we saw Celine Dion. What'd you get? Oh, I got this fantastic belt, and I am thrilled.
They got us back.
We just got iced.
At least it's lovely natural.
There's
flavor.
vitamin C in it, alright?
Oh.
Do it,
Take
do
it.
it.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good.
We're now outside Caesar's Palace, and we are going out for dinner
Oh, is
as
this
a
live?
squad.
Is this a
Yeah,
video?
it's a video.
Oh, I thought it was a photo. I'm sorry.
We're going out for dinner at Lavo. We just finished dinner and drinks at Lavo, and now we are heading on our way to, I don't know where we're going, somewhere. Good morning! It is now Saturday morning, and I didn't finish the vlog last night. We went to a pub in Caesar's Palace and then ended up going to bed at 11 pretty early. So now we are up and we're just ready to go.
Getting it on.
Yeah. And we're gonna go shopping and then spend the day at the pool.
Nikita,
guys.
What do you got?
Memories die out too hard. We were drowned in the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun-land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
We have made our way to the Grand Canal shops. We left the pool, went back, got changed, had a little bit of food, and now we're gonna continue to walk around and do some shopping.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but
Come on back up. You're good. You got this.
You got this.
You got this.
You got this.
You're so close.
It's not even moving.
I'm just like a pill.
Just got to the airport and we're on our way home from Vegas, which I'm really sad about, but we had such a good weekend, right?
Yeah, it was great.
We had a very good weekend. I hope you guys like this vlog and I'll see you in my next one.
Fill me out with your smile, like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game.